All right, so when we do attach a pergola system to your existing home, we would typically attach that in this area here, above the doors and windows and below the overhang of the roof. One of the areas we need to watch out for in this situation is that you have enough height between the top of the window and the bottom of the roof. If you don't have at least 18 to 22 inches, then this isn't a very good location to try to attach a pergola system. Let me show you why. This is a typical ledger that would attach to your home. And it's got the dovetail connection in there. This is going to lag to your home. And this is what will hold the rafters. When the rafter comes into this, it has to have the room to be above it and then slide down in for that dovetail to come together. On our full-size kits, that takes about 18 inches in order to be able to bring that in. And on an oversized kit, it's more like 22 inches. So that's why we need the height above the windows from the bottom of the roof. If this is less than 18 inches, this still could be done. It's a pretty tough labor job. You would have to bring the ledger and the rafters and put them all together and then lift that entire structure up and then bolt it into the home. If you've got enough equipment or manpower to do that, that is a possibility. But if that's not the case, then in this situation, we would recommend a freestanding pergola and having posts in the corner of the home.